Hello and welcome. In this short video I'll present how to set up a panel group on your SPC Connect company account. For this example, we presume you have already set up a company account. For more information on this, please see our video How to Set Up a Company Account. Panel groups are for organization structure designed to support your business. They make it easier to work with and apply functions to panels with a common grouping subject. You can group panels by grade, geographically, by customer, or by some other preferred grouping criteria that suits your business. Common configuration elements, permissions and functions can be applied to a group, which in turn will apply them to panels or users within that group. By default, there are no panel groups on SPC Connect, so our first task will be to add a panel group. This is achieved by selecting Panel Groups and selecting the Add Panel Group button. You can provide a name for the group and determine if auto-enroll should be enabled for that group. If you are not familiar with the auto-enroll function, please watch our video How to Auto-enroll a Panel onto SPC Connect. We now have a blank panel group, and from the same web page we can see two additional options: Add Remove Panels and Add Remove Installers. Adding panels and installers will allow users to access all panels within the panel group. The installer profile will determine what actions an installer can perform within the panel group or groups. For this example, we will add a panel into our panel group and add an installer into the same panel group. Selecting Add Remove Panels, we can see a list of panels currently registered to our company. We then select a panel and press Save. Selecting Add Remove Installers, we can see a list of installers currently registered to the company. We then select an installer and press Save. The installer can now remotely access the panel as they are both in the same panel group. The panel will now appear on the installer's panel web page when they log into the system using their installer account credentials. Now we can configure services for all panels within the group. When I select Panel Group Feature Settings, a list of services will appear. These include SPC Config Manager, Remote Maintenance, Flexi Status, Daytime Synchronization, Firmware Upgrade, and Email Notification. Settings applied here will automatically apply to all panels within the panel group. Panel groups are a powerful element of SPC Connect, and we would advise that you plan your groups in order to maximize your efficiency. A panel can be assigned to one or more panel groups. This is intended so you can organize by perhaps location and then services, or vice versa. We have given you the freedom to define this. Please note that if a panel is in two groups with services enabled, then both services will act on the same panel. So to avoid conflicts, we advise only enabling services in one panel group for each panel. The individual services in the panel group are covered in our later videos, and if you wish to know more, please take the time to view them. Thank you for watching our short demo. For more information, please check out our videos on SPC Connect. Thank you and goodbye.